Hello, everyone. My name is Khalid Imam, and I am the organizing partner of the Major Group for Children and Youth. On behalf of the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, the United Nations Office of the Secretary General's Envoy in Youth, the Major Group for Children and Youth, and the International Coordination Meeting of Youth Organization, I would like to welcome you all to the networking receptions of the 2022 ECOSOC Youth Forum. I hope you are as excited for this event as we are.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Khaled. And hi, everyone. My name is Elise, and I'm a program coordinator with MGCY. So as Khaled said, this is a super exciting session we have in store, and it's going to be broken down into 3 parts, which are 3 different ways that you can connect with each other and learn from one another. So after you've watched this video and have asked any questions that you have, you'll go into the speed networking session. And there you can chat into groups of up to 3 in the languages of your choice with participants just like you. And these will be fast rounds meeting each other of up to 5 minutes, and then you'll meet another group of people. So it'll be really fast and really an exciting way to get to know each other. After that's done, you'll head to the topic roundtable discussions. Here we've selected some topics based on what young people want to talk about, and in the languages of their choice. So you'll go to the topic discussions, and you can select your language and chat into groups of up to 8 people about the topics that you care the most about. Finally, we're encouraging you to check out all of the exposition booths that we have in store for you. Organizations have come with tools, resources, and ways and opportunities to engage. And we think this is a really exciting opportunity to learn about how to build your advocacy outside and beyond the forum. So to help you navigate along, I'm going to show my screen and show you how to get to the different parts of the components I've just described. So first, let me share my screen. All right. So when you get into the Whova platform that you've registered for, you'll get right to the homepage, which I'm sure many of you know because you're already engaging in the platform and using all of the resources already. So on the home screen, right below, you'll find the agenda. So if you click on the agenda and scroll down to the session, which happens at 11:15 on the first day and 6:15 on the second day, you can click into it and you'll find all of the information that you need to navigate around the session. This includes the agenda, different ways to engage, and you can also find here the PDF copy of discussion prompts that you can help in the topic roundtable discussions that you'll do later on. Next, you can find, oh, sorry, one last thing I wanted to point out here is on the left-hand side of the screen or below in the mobile app, you can post any questions that you might have in this chat box, and our moderators will do the best that we can to support you and answer your questions in this space here. Next, go back to the agenda to get to the speed networking. You can also find this for day 1 only in the speed networking tab, and on the second day, you'll find all of the speed networking links in the agenda. So we recommend that you come back to the agenda as kind of the one place to go to whenever you're looking for what to do. So at 11:30, speed networking will open, and we have the language, we have it in English, Russian, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, and French. There will be a French language as well. And you'll just click in to go to the networking of your choice. So say if I wanted to network in Arabic, I would go to the speed table, and it would automatically link me up with 2 other people that I will talk to for 5 minutes, and then it will automatically rotate me around. If you want to network in, say, Chinese or Russian, you'll be taken to a Zoom room that you'll be put in breakout rooms of 3 people for 5 minutes and network that way. So those are the 2 variants when you're participating. And then on day 2 of the program, everybody in every language will be headed to a Zoom room to network in those breakout rooms. Next, we have the topic roundtable discussions. So again, you can find this below at 12 p.m. on the first day or at 7 p.m. on the second day. You open up the topic roundtable discussion and you can find a seat at a table in the language and in the subject of your choice. There's no time limit on how long you want to spend. You can spend the full half hour in the session if you're loving the conversation, or you can go for a little bit, decide that you want to try something else and pop out and head into a different room. So you grab a seat at the table, you will see that the language and the subject will be written on the table card. So you can see we have education in English, in French, in Spanish, and there'll be all 7 languages that your tickets were in will be there, and every different subject will have the availability in each language. Also here, we want to point out that we have a technical support booth, and this will be particularly in this topic roundtable number 1. And that is where one of our colleagues will be there ready to help you if you have any questions or if you need any kind of help finding the table or finding something in the platform during the network reception. So he will be there for the first half hour of the roundtable discussions, and then his table will move to the next one as well. Finally, once you're all done with the speed networking and the table discussions, you can head on over to the exhibitor booth. And these are really exciting opportunities to engage with organizations that have some great resources for us to use. So you can hop into any of the booths. You can see the different organizations here. And if we hop into Justice Call, for an example, a video will start right away. I'll pause it. So a video will start, or if it's a live session, it will be there. You can see all of the information you need to know about how to connect with the organization. And if there's a live demo or if there's a live participation session, you can also see that there. And we encourage you to RSVP so you get a reminder of when that session begins. And that's a great way for you to meet the booth organizers, meet the people from the organization, and learn more about the products or resources they're offering, and also learn how you can best get involved or best use those tools. So yeah, you can find all of those there. And if you have any questions, just like in the session before, you can type your questions to the organizers in the chat box on the right-hand side here. So we hope that this kind of rundown will help you navigate it to the best of your ability. And I'll pass it back to Khaled to finish it up.
Thank you so much, Elise. Now, I encourage all of you to connect with one another, make your voices heard. Take this opportunity to discuss what matters to you and what matters to your community. Let's together make the best of it by sharing knowledge, skills, and more important, turn these conversations into action. Thank you again and enjoy.